This is a CTV News Brief. If you own a small business, here is some good news from the St. Lucia Chamber of Commerce. It will be hosting access to finance training programs from August 20th to December 2019. Funding for the series of workshops will be provided by the German Savings Bank International Foundation. The first course, Costing and Pricing, is a 2-week program to run on evenings from 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. every Tuesday and Thursday from August 20th to September 3rd at the conference facility of the St. Lucia Chamber of Commerce. Call the Chamber for more details. A ban on the importation of styrofoam and plastics is now in effect. All styrofoam and selected single-use plastic food service containers arriving in St. Lucia after July 31st, 2019 will not be released by Customs and Excise. The disposal and export of any restricted items arriving after July 31st, 2019 will be at the expense of the importer. Persons owning or in charge of businesses are asked to declare their stock of styrofoam and single-use plastics to the Department of Sustainable Development immediately. Members of the St. Lucia Hotels and Tourism Association have been discussing the proposed new head tax. The SLHTA's recent newsletter indicates that one such meeting took place on Tuesday, July 23rd. The promised introduction of a new head tax on the accommodation sector has stirred much discussion as the implementation date draws near. Guadeloupe is to host an international Sargassum Expo in October. The Guadeloupe Sarg Expo 2019, slated for October, will be the first international trade show on Sargassum management technologies. It will focus on recycling, monitoring, collection, and storage of the Sargassum seaweed, which has been a menace to coastal communities. A business awards orientation workshop will take place this Thursday, August 8th. Businesses interested in participating in the 2019 St. Lucia Business Awards are encouraged to attend. Thursday's workshop is designed to give firms interested in participating in the St. Lucia Business Awards a better understanding of the nomination process. The deadline date for submissions is August 30th, 2019. This has been a CTV News Brief.